Here we are inside of Fort Griswold Battlefield State Park, and this is the fort built in 1776 under the orders of Governor Jonathan Trumbull. The fort is one of the best in its original condition forts from the American Revolution, still standing in the United States. As you see, the main entry was here. It used to be a large gate there with a door, a port in other words, and this is where one of the places where the British soldiers had actually came through the doors or the port when they entered the fort on September 6th, 1781. As you can see here, we have the supposed spot where Colonel William Ledyard fell by his own sword at the hands of a British officer to whom he had surrendered in the massacre of Fort Griswold, September 6, 1781. More than 80 American defenders were massacred, after many of which had surrendered. The British promised no quarter if the Americans were going to continue the fight. The Americans continued the fight, and what happens? It happened as expected. So the story is that Ledyard was killed by his own sword, but recent data shows that outline of the barracks goes here. This would have housed about 160 men in the grounds of the fort. Up at that platform up there would have been a cannon, and at the time with the flagpole was there, the story is that